Hello everyone, I'm here again with another video on WordPress, and today we are going to be setting up the Akismet plugin. So what is Akismet plugin? Akismet plugin is a plugin that is used to stop and remove spam from comments, trackbacks, and contact form messages. So why use the Akismet plugin? If you run a website that is popular, the amount of spam comments can get as high as 80%, which means out of every 100 comments, just few are legit. Instead of wasting hours doing comment moderation, why not just use Akismet that will help catch any spam comments before it lands in the queue as pending. So let's go ahead and install this plugin. So navigate in the admin dashboard, you navigate to plugin and click on add new. And we are going to search for the Akismet plugin. So let's search for the Akismet plugin. So this is the Akismet anti-spam, 5 million active installations. So let's click install now and let's activate it. And guys, most of the time Akismet is already installed or already come pre-installed. If that is your case, then there's no need for you to reinstall. Okay, we are installing this plugin because we don't have it, but most of the time the Akismet plugin is already installed. So let's wait for it so it will activate. Give it some time. It's loading. Okay, it's loaded. So let's set up our Akismet account. So let's click set up account. It's going to take you to the Akismet website. It's loading. Let's give it some time. So let's click the setup Akismet account. Click on set up Akismet account to sign up for an account. Let's give it some time. It's loading. So as you can see, we have the personal plan, we have the plus, we have the enterprise, and we have the enterprise plus. So we are going for the personal. We are going for the personal. Spam protection for your personal site or blog. As you can see, this one is multiple sites and blogs. So let's click on get personal. So let's sign up for an account. So as you can see, this is $36 per year. So let's drag it down. So let's drag it to $0 per year. You can see. So let's sign up for an account. So let's continue with personal subscription. Let's continue. A verification code, a temporary code has been sent to my email address. So let me go and check it and paste the code here. Okay, pasted the code. So let's click on continue. It's completing the sign up. So let's wait. As you can see, sign up complete. We have sent you an email containing your API key, or you can log in to view it in your Akismet dashboard. Now, since the API key was sent to my email, I logged in my email, then I copied the code, I copied my API key. So you should do the same. You should log in your email address you use in registering and copy your API code. So after copying it, go back to your admin dashboard. After copying it, all you have to do is to see this page right here, all you have to do is go to plugins and click on installed plugins. So you give it some time. And you navigate down to your Akismet anti-spam plugin and click on settings. And here we have it. This page right here will show up. So that's how you navigate to this particular page you're seeing right now on the screen. So now let's enter our API key. So we click on manually enter an API key. So we paste our API key here. Then click on connect with API key. And you give it some time to load. And it is done. Akismet is now protecting your site from spam. Happy blogging. That's it. That's how to properly set up your Akismet plugin. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching this video on how to properly set up the Akismet anti-spam WordPress plugin. Please give a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, please comment below. I post video every single day about WordPress. Peace out.